Hi sturdy women, hi sturdy friends. I hope you're having a good week. I hope you're feeling good in your body. Today I'm going to answer some of the most frequent questions I get about vibration plates and lipedema. These include what are some of the benefits of whole body vibration for lipedema? How do I use a vibration plate for lipedema? What's the best vibration plate? And why does it make me itchy? Before we begin, remember, I'm just a woman with lipedema. I'm not a doctor, and you should probably talk to one before adding something like vibration to your self-care routine. Vibration is usually not recommended for individuals who are pregnant, have recently had surgery, possess artificial joints, or who have pacemakers. I'll include a link down below in the description with more information about contraindications. Are vibration plates good for lipedema, and what do they do? Vibration plates are often recommended for lipedema patients because they increase circulation and improve lymph flow. This means they can help manage swelling and decongest tissue. Many patients find the vibrations relaxing and report relief from heaviness in their limbs and even reduced pain. Whole body vibration is low impact, it only takes a few minutes a day, and many people report results almost immediately. That sounds great, right? There's a reason vibration is so popular in lipedema circles. What is the best way to use a vibration plate for lipedema? A little bit goes a long way. Most vibration plates come with 100 or more different speeds, but to get the lymphatic benefits, you only need the lowest ones. My vibration plate includes preset programs that rotate through different speeds every few minutes. I use it on the 3 lowest program settings, which are 0, 1, and 2. Once you're at a specific speed or setting, you can adjust the intensity further by changing the position of your feet or hands on the vibration plate. See how mine starts with walking in the center, then moves out to jogging in the middle, and running all the way at the edges. This means you'll feel the vibration less intensely if you're positioned at the center and more intensely if you're positioned at the edges. Just look at the difference in how much I jiggle as I move my legs to the various positions. The most common way to use a vibration plate for lipedema is to stand on it. Position your feet where you feel comfortable and bend your knees slightly. Locking your knees is going to make those vibrations feel more intense in your upper body and your head, and that's probably not something you want. While you're there, you can do calf raises, squats, or other exercises, but it's also okay to just stand there. I'll link a poster with more exercises you can do on your vibration plate if you're looking for more inspiration. If you don't feel like standing, you can also use your vibration plate seated on a couch or in a chair. Try resting your arms on your legs to bring some of the vibration there. Other variations include sitting directly on the vibration plate, or my favorite, laying on the floor and putting your feet or calves directly on the vibration plate. My lower legs are always tight from running and biking, and this just feels like a lovely massage. But what about arms? I've also been getting questions about how to use a vibration plate for arm lipedema. If sitting in a chair or on a couch and placing your arms in your lap is not giving you enough vibration in your arms, you can also put your forearms or hands directly on the vibration plate. You'll want to take it slow and experiment with what feels comfortable, because the vibration can get a little bit intense in your head, and you definitely don't want that. To mitigate this, make sure you keep a slight bend in your elbow so that it can act like a shock absorber. Observe the difference in how I shake when my elbows are locked versus when they are loose. Again, be sure to take it slow and back off if you feel any discomfort. The best vibration plate for lipedema is one that oscillates, which means it rocks side to side. You can see mine here, and I've slowed it down to exaggerate the up and down movement. Check the links below this video to see different models to consider. I'll tag them everywhere they're available on YouTube Shopping and also put Amazon links in the description so you can shop where you're most comfortable. The model I use in this video is the Waver. When choosing a vibration plate, consider how you plan to use it. Do you want to stand on it, or does sitting look more comfortable? Think about what fits your needs and abilities. If you want to stand on your vibration plate, you'll want to consider the weight limit when selecting a model. The weight limit on my Waver is 330 pounds, but I'll also tag the Waver Mini, which has a weight limit of 260 pounds, and the Rumblex, which has a weight limit of 500 pounds. Weight limits are less important if you plan to use your vibration plate sitting in a chair. One thing I love about the LifePro brand is that if you ever have a problem with your vibration plate, you can just call them and they'll send you a new one. That said, I've had mine for 4 years and never had a problem. Another thing you might want to consider is whether you want to stand on it, but you want some handles for stability. There are models for that, and I'll tag them below so you can check out more. One final thing to know is that vibration plates can be heavy. So if you live in a small space and are going to need to stow your vibration plate and bring it out only when you're using it, you might think about the weight of the unit itself. My Waver weighs 31 pounds, but the smaller mini version is only about 26. If you're going to have to be carrying it around every time you want to use it, it might just be something to consider. The manufacturer of my vibration plate recommends a maximum of 30 minutes a day, which I recommend breaking into 2 15-minute sessions, one in the morning and one in the evening. The preset programs are already 15 minutes in length, so this is perfect. But it's also totally okay to do shorter sessions. The most important thing is to listen to your body. Vibration is going to impact your body similar to exercise. So it's important that you gradually increase the intensity and duration. Some of you have written to me to express that using a vibration plate makes you feel itchy. This can be a normal response to increased circulation, especially if you're new to vibration and using your plate on a really high setting. Try reducing the speed and see if that improves your symptoms. Now, that said, in rare cases, people can be allergic to vibration. Stop using it and consult your doctor if you experience symptoms like hives, redness, and severe itching that lasts for some time even after you stop vibration. I'll link an article in the description where you can read more about vibration allergies. What other questions do you have about vibration and lipedema? What's your favorite way to use your vibration plate, and how has it helped you manage your symptoms? Let us know below in the comments. Sharing your experience helps everyone in our community feel better. For more about me and my journey with lipedema, lymphedema, and venous insufficiency, and how I've used conservative treatments like vibration to lose more than half my body weight and dramatically improve my symptoms, head over to sturdywoman.com. I'd love to see you there. Mwah! I'll see you next time.